Hello my friend, welcome to Smart Trader channel. In this video, I am going to show you extremely profitable 1 minute scalping strategy. When you scalp 1 minute, I recommend you to find a good broker with a low spread and commission so you will have a higher chance to make more money. The indicator I use in this strategies is the 200 EMA, 9 EMA and 18 EMA combined with RSI, Bullish, Bearish Divergence and STC Indicator. The EMA are used to identify a trend direction. The STC help me identify a market sentiment, bullish or bearish. The RSI are used to identify a bullish and bearish diversion. This strategy is very simple if you follow step by step like I do in this video. Now let's begin with the first sell example. Step 1. You need buy actions below 200 EMA, the green line, and I will wait to plant a sell trade, and then you need to look at the context on the bar to the left, and I need you to identify a uptrend market. You can use the price actions like the market make higher high and higher low, or you can use the EMA 9 and 18 growth up like this to identify an uptrend. Now you watch the swing high and then watch this swing high with the RSI divergence, and I want to see a bearish divergence when the price make higher high. The RSI failed to make higher high. This is a bearish divergence. When the market in bearish divergence, it signals the market uptrend is no longer valid. The market now go into a transition phase. It means a trading range, and I expect to see the market go sideways or trading range. Then define a range high and range low. When you identify a range high and range low, and at the time the market break down below the support and the 9 EMA cut down the 18 EMA and STC in red, this is on trade confirmations for sell, and I will sell when I see this signal. Okay, as I told you, I want to see the market go into a trading range and define a range high and range low. Now I wait for the market break out of the range low, and as the time the breakout bar appear, the 9 EMA cut the 18 EMA. Okay, as you can see here, the 9 EMA cut through the 18 EMA and the market break out of the trading range. I will sell at the market. Stop loss above recent swing high. Risk and rewards at least 1 to 1. The STC in red, the RSI bearish divergence. Now see the market respond to our plan. Okay, we want the trade. Very simple. If you strictly to the rule, you will be profitable. Okay, if you enjoyed this video so far, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Remember, all trade confirmations must be met before take actions. Now another sell example. Step 1. Identify an uptrend. The market make higher high and higher low. If you are a price action trader, you can identify these price actions as an uptrend. If you're using moving average, EMA 9 above EMA 18, the market in the uptrend. Now I want to see a market show us the RSI bearish divergence. The price actions make higher high and RSI failed to make higher high. This is a bearish divergence. It signal the uptrend is no longer available. Okay, as you can see here, market make higher high. RSI failed to make higher high. Right? I hope you can see a bearish divergence signal. Step 3. Identify a trading range defined by range high and range low. Okay. Step 4. Wait for the market breakdown of the range low, and when the breakout candle happened, the 9 EMA cross the 18 EMA, right? The STC in red. Okay, this is a Ross candle, 9 cross 18 and breakout bar. Okay, sell on the next candle, risk and rewards at least 1-to-1, stop loss above the recent swing high. Now let's see the market respond to our trading plan. We want the trade. All trade confirmations must be met. No one can stop you make money in all market. Now for the buy trade. First, identify a market trend. The market in a downtrend. Price make lower low and lower high, and the EMA 9 below 18 markers in a downtrend. Step 2, identify a RSI bullish divergence. In front of you here, you cannot see the trading range, so wait for the market go into the trading range. Identify a range high and range low. Okay, the market go into the trading range right here, many overlapping bar, and like the sell trade, the buy trade, I want to see a breakout candle above the resistance, and when the candle break out of the resistance, the 9 EMA cut the 18 EMA. This is our trade. I will entry long on the next candle, and STC in the green. Okay, stop loss, recent swing low, risk and rewards at least 1-to-1. We have won the trade. I hope you know how to buy and sell now. I encourage you to open your charts, study on your own, take note. Remember, always trade with trend. Buy at support, sell at resistance. Only risk 1 or 2% per trade. If you have any questions, comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Good luck and good trading.